back to Stefan Creativities.
Today we're going to Lusail.
Today we are going to enter a restaurant known as Grill House. They have a variety of items in their menu. The welcome drink was awesome.
Here is our green salad and here comes our soup.
Their grills are very soft and juicy.
This is their butter paneer and their bread basket.
This is their special sizzler chicken. Very yummy. Here comes the bamboo biryani.
Staffs are so friendly that they even guided us to what we should order.
We can't go without having the desserts.
Kulki sarbat, carrot halwa, chocolate milkshake, so much yummy.
Last we had a little bit of paisam. What a nice dinner. Perfect ambience for a lovely dinner after a very long drive.
It's time to head back home. Until our next video, stay safe. Goodbye. See you.
Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Bye.